How to get free spins on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can get free spins on Temu. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get free spins on Temu, all you have to do is just open up your browser, go to temu.com. Then you'll find at the bottom left this $100 coupon, which is basically a free spin. All you have to do is just click on this option, and then basically if you have not yet already spinned this wheel, you'll find the option to actually spin it. In my case, I already spinned it, so I'm not being able to find it. So basically all you need to do is just make sure to scan this app to download it. So after you have to go ahead and scan it, all you need to do is just open the QR code scanner on your application. Then once you open the QR code scanner app from your mobile, you just want to make sure to open this up, click on the show button, and then here you can see exclusive gift. So just tap on the get it now button, and then once you tap on get it now, it's going to be successfully installing the app, and you can use that $100 coupon bundle depending upon different type of purchases. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can get spins on Temu. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, so make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.